Dollar Tree. I was asked to be in a collab, and so there's a challenge I have to do. It's kind of loud out here. It's 4th of July, and a lot of stuff's closed, so people are coming in the Dollar Tree to buy items. But the challenge is I have to come in here, find 5 ingredients, and try to make some type of dessert recipe. So hang out with me real quick while I shop, and let's see what we can come up with.
Like this?
Yeah. Check out my shirt. See me advertising myself in public, guys. Casper Original without Gina. That's right. Anyway, so we're in Dollar Tree. Anastasia's filming me. We got the grandbaby. Y'all asked to see him. There he is, 6 months old. Happy 4th of July, Malachi. So, he's gonna check himself out later. He likes to watch our videos. Okay, so here we go. Are y'all ready for the challenge? So we're gonna find 5 ingredients. Can't go over $5, and then we have to make a dessert out of it. I think we can do it. Team Gina in a bottle. Let's get to it. Make sure she stays above the waist. We're trying to show all the cute parts of my body. So I have an idea what I want to make, but we have to see if they have the ingredients. People blocking my eyes. Alright. So, I'm looking for... Where are you at? There we go. Here's item number 1. Graham crackers. See, I'm going to make an easy one because it is 4th of July. And I intend for this to get eaten at home. So I wanted to do like a finger snacks that you still had to kind of cook. So... item number 1. Let's continue on. Okay. Item number 2. Cookie butter. Check. I might have it. Oh, boom. Item number 3. Okay. Alright, let me see if I can find the 4th item. She said it's on this aisle. Boom. I'm pretty sure y'all figured out what I'm making, but I'm doing it with a twist, and that's what matters. Okay, sorry to keep it up here, you know what I'm saying? The flatter and level. Alright, last thing I need, I don't know if they have produce in this store, but we're gonna find out. Okay guys, we found the last item. We had to improvise because they didn't have fresh fruit, so this is as fresh as we're gonna get today, kids. All right, I'll see you at the house and we'll make this together. Hey guys, so I'm back to the house. So maybe, I don't know if y'all could hear me clearly. So what I'm doing, I was invited to do a challenge with another YouTuber. And I am going to link her video in the description below, along with the other people who are doing this challenge, which I don't even know who else doing it yet. So that's pretty exciting because these are all people I've never collabed with before, and I'm getting to know and hopefully growing a friendship. What we had to do is we had to go to Dollar Tree. We had to film ourselves going to Dollar Tree, which I did. And you had to spend no more than $5 and come up with a dessert recipe, okay? And then the next part of the video was you making it, and then we'll show the outcome of the dessert. So what I'm gonna do now is just show you, oh, and you can use one item from home. So $5 at Dollar Tree, and then you're allowed to use one item you already have at home. So cooking utensils, all that, that's a given. But let's say flour, butter, milk, something like that, you need from home, that wouldn't count against you if that was your 6th item. So I'm gonna get into mine. We'll see. I kind of went easy. It was 4th of July. Check out my necklace. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Thought it was cute. But anyway, I went easy, and the reason why I went easy was because it's 4th of July, and I know people like to do simple finger foods. Well, one recipe I always have enjoyed and love eating is s'mores, okay? You're like, oh girl, that's boring. But what I'm doing is s'mores with a twist. And I've always added one extra ingredient to my s'mores, but this one's gonna be stepped up one more notch. And so I was following a recipe. I went through the store. I needed this one particular ingredient, which was bananas, and they didn't have them. They're like no fresh produce, and so unless I wanted to do dried bananas, which would be a disaster, or frozen bananas, which was like a frozen fruit bag, which would probably also be a disaster, I just thought outside of the box and decided to improvise, and I'll show you what I came up with. So here's my first item. So you got your graham crackers. This is a must when you're making your s'mores. So we're gonna call these, since I've changed the recipe a bit, Gina's famous s'mores or whatever. Gina in a bottle s'mores, whatever. Okay, so then you have to have marshmallows, of course. I'm not a big marshmallow person, but I love marshmallows on s'mores. So, my stepdaughter, Anastasia, she hates peanut butter, which I think is just un-American. Just kidding. Some people are allergic. But if you just hate it to hate it, I don't get it. It's like my favorite thing in life. So, what I did was I used my one item from home, and that was peanut butter. So I'm going to do half of them with peanut butter, half of them with, and I bought this from the dollar store, so cookie butter. So she gets to eat hers with cookie butter. So we have 2 different versions today. Look at me, chef extraordinaire. I also have my oven preheating right now at 400 degrees, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching. Okay, so let's see, we got our graham crackers, our marshmallows, our cookie butter, the item from home, as you can see, it's already been dug into because I love me some peanut butter. So this was my item from home, so peanut butter. You have to have chocolate. So I got the Hershey's chocolate. The recipe I saw said to use semi-sweet. You can do that if you want to, but Hershey's all the way for me. I want my full sweet chocolate fantasy going on. So that's for me for s'mores. But if y'all want semi-sweet, do what you do. Okay, so that's Hershey's. Now, the item that I thought would be really cool and be the twist, since I couldn't do bananas, give me a drum roll, guys. Jelly. So they're gonna be peanut butter and jelly s'mores. And yes, this should count because it's a dessert item. I spent $5. I used one item from home, and I have to cook it in the oven. So, boom! Hopefully I did well. Hopefully I succeeded. Hopefully these lovely ladies that asked me to collab asked me back again. If not, I'm available if anybody else ever wants to collab with me. No channel is too big, no channel is too small. I'm available. So anyway, so this was, I think, a cool idea because I love peanut butter and jelly. In Anastasia's case, it's going to be cookie butter and jelly and s'mores. So we'll see what happens. Might be a disaster, but you never know until you try. And that's the fun thing about cooking. That's the fun thing about recipes. And now we're going to get into this cooking episode. Shall we? We're going to take our honey grams. Okay. So what you're going to do is however many you want to make. So if you want to make, let's say there's fireworks going off in the background, I apologize. But let's say you want to make 8 s'mores. You're going to do 8 crackers, not 16. The reason is the topper is going to go on after we take it out of the oven, okay? So you'll put these in here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm making 12. So the first 6 I'm gonna do with cookie butter. So this is the cookie butter. And we are using Dollar Tree cookie butter, so that's gonna be even more interesting. So I am just going to spread this on. I'm not measuring, I just got a spoon, scoop some out, and I'm just pretty much covering the cracker to the desired amount I want. So now I am switching to peanut butter, and this is just the Jif Natural that I already had at home. So you'll be able to see probably on camera the difference in the color. So the next thing we're gonna add is some jelly. So I'm just gonna shake that up real good because I don't want it to be too juicy. And we went with grape. I mean, you could probably do any flavor you wanted, but we just went with good old-fashioned grape. So I have a feeling it'll probably soak into the cracker and give it a really good flavor. So I'm gonna spread each of these. Okay, now we're gonna get into the chocolate. These look so good already. I could eat them just like that. I love peanut butter and jelly, so that's just me. Alright, so I put a chocolate in the center of each one. It's up to you how much chocolate you want. In my opinion, Hershey's does really well at melting down, and I never really need more than 1 piece, but that's totally up to you. It's your preference. You could always do like maybe a bar and a half. I've thought about doing Dove chocolates because I love Dove, but I don't know how good they are at melting. And the last step we have is to add the marshmallows. I like to smush mine a little bit, just flatten them. Nobody's gonna care that you did that to the marshmallow as long as you washed your hands before you touched their food. And I did. I will hope you did too if you do this recipe. I just try to stretch it out a bit. You can also use like the fluff stuff where it's like the marshmallow is already melted. I didn't see any of that at the Dollar Tree, but it's all good because we want to be able to put this in the oven and bake it and see how it comes out. Okay guys, so that was the final step before the oven. So now what you do is you just put this in the oven for 10 minutes and then you take it out and we'll see what they look like. I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'm back. I got the food out of the oven. I went ahead and plated it. This is what it came out like. So I brought Jalen downstairs. So this one has cookie butter, Jalen. Try this one.
Alright.
Bite it.
I'm biting. Ow! The tooth.
Oh, he has a loose tooth, sorry.
I tried to do my normal food, not or s'mores.
That's good. Okay, so that's the normal one. I really want to try peanut butter.
Hey,
I'm gonna try a peanut butter one.
is that the one I eat?
Yeah.
Wait, what does the chocolate taste like by itself?
By itself, like chocolate.
No.
You want the one with peanut butter?
Yeah. This egg.
The other one was cookie butter. This one has peanut butter.
This.
That's just jelly.
Oh.
It's a peanut butter and jelly s'more.
Well.
Good? All right, you heard it first. It's good. Let me try it.
Yeah, it's good.
Which one's better? Cookie butter or peanut butter?
Peanut butter and chocolate.
I like the peanut butter better, but the cookie butter is good. It's not nasty at all. It's just not as sweet as peanut butter, but the cookie butter is good. So if you know somebody who can't eat peanut butter for some reason or doesn't like it, I think cookie butter is a good substitution. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you, ladies, for challenging me and for wanting to do a collab with me. Again, I am going to link the two ladies that I know I'm collabing with in the description box below. Please go to their channel, check out the video where you see what dessert they came up with. Theirs sound like they're gonna do a little bit more cooking than mine. Mine was kind of an easy cheat one. But what they're going to do is they know all the people who are doing the collab, and they will have everybody's link in their description, and you can check out everybody who is doing this challenge. And I thought it was such a fun and creative idea, and I really appreciate the fact that they included me. So shout out to you guys. And anyways, y'all remember, can't spell original without Gina. We love you, and
Goodbye.
till the next video.